imali iyamfihla umuntu. That is why buti kunabantu besifazana athi hey ngamthola ngenalutho. Wathi makathola utho wangishiya wangilahla. Bekavela nje but inkinga imdlala nesuffering imfihlile.
A fish.
Yeah.
You find it in the sea.
Sure.
In the water.
Sure.
Remove the fish.
It dies.
It dies. The tree, you find it in the ground.
Sure.
Remove the ground, it dies. Man without God is a treasury alive.
Ngizama ukusho endodeni ukuthi mawumbona lo disrespecta ulahlekelwe izinto bekahlonipha izinto zakho hayi wena. We are in chaos today namadoda asemajele ngenxa yokuthi imali bekanganayo wafuna ukuzenza into angayiyo waphenduka waba isigebengu waganga.
A woman is a tool in the hands of God to fix men.
Yo.
That's what Pap said to me.
Yo. Dear men, don't hate your father to a level that you end up becoming him. Ave kuyingozi ukuthi uzoxolelwa ngabantu uxolele uNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Kodwa wena ungazicolelanga. Never allow yourself to become something that you are not to please women.
You must have this mentality.
Yeah.
You don't have an appointment with your past.
Yeah.
You have an appointment with your future. Una le batho ba o ba kreile ba tswile.
Yeah.
And ba re ba tswa bophelo ba ka ba shala bolekana mogolo. Le wena o ka nna tsama, there is no impact o tlo e dira.
Sure.
Ho rata ke a o rata ka pelo. Mara moya kwa modimo.
Greetings South Africa. Welcome to Real Talk with Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. Bafethu, this is a platform where we engage real issues. As always, Bafethu City, this is where we become honest, schooling about general issues. We become honest as soon as possible. We are not alone today. Sihamba with a man of God, a highly respected man of God, Apostle JT. But before zobingelela, athi ngidlulise imic lapha ngiyise kubhodi and welcome nani.
Yeah. No bafethu sibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyasumuzi esikhona sekunjalo kuya real talkwa. So nje mabu sensitive mntasekhaya ngiyacela undlule because la sikhuluma amaqiniso, iqiniso liyamkhulula umuntu. Ingakho lithi iBhayibheli izwe liyabhubha ngenxa yokuswela ulwazi. So la ulwazi lukhona. So nje bafowethu real talk and ningakhohlwa bafethu namhlanje sinomnceke kaNkulunkulu umfowethu is a brother to us, Apostle JT. Awubingelele mfowethu.
Kidumelisha batho kaofela bo Real Talk with Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. You guys are blessing and you are a well of healing. So
Sure.
Then I'm so excited. What an opportunity awarded for me to be here.
Sure.
So I feel so small. I feel so honored with this burden. So I believe that we'll have an awesome time, very awesome time.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes. No, don't be small, say you are big.
No.
Bafethu, a conversation that was triggered.
Sure.
A very important conversation I want us to have today. Angifuni ukuyibeka with our titles because we don't know the direction which it's gonna take. Yeah. But we live in a generation whereby kunabantu besifazana that try to define what is manhood. Bangazanga baba amadoda bona. Ginina bafethu, I wanna pose a question. I'm not gonna interview you guys. We're gonna be having a conversation song, but I'd like with Nqala la. Izocala kuwe bhuti.
Okay.
Yini indoda? What does it mean to be a man? Angazi if it makes sense. The world has defined us in all different ways, but amadoda izinja, that's they say men are that, men are that. But the question today now is we can dive in. Yini indoda?
Into yokucala nje bhuti na umpostoli.
Yes sir.
If I can define what is a man, we are a seed carrier, number one. Indoda iphethe ama seed.
Sure.
Oshuthi as umpostoli, that's why uNkulunkulu my confront indoda.
Sure.
Ube confront ukuthi isizwe
Sure.
okusho a nation will come out from you.
Yes.
You understand? Osho Mabunda njoba ununguwe, so you are carrying a nation on its own.
Sure.
Nompostoli njoba uye is carrying a nation on his own.
Sure.
You understand? Number 2, uma sikhuluma ngamadoda sikhuluma about leaders.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Uma ngithi leaders kusho ukuthi indoda mangabi nomuzi i-leader lowo muzi.
Yes, sir.
And we cannot Mabunda sithi mhlambe indoda inganawo umfazi.
Sure.
Umfazi okusho ukuthi under his leadership as a man.
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi uyasubmit again.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So masikhuluma ngendoda sikhuluma about a leader.
Sure.
You understand? To be there ebantwaneni, to be there ku family. Kufana nokuthi kufana na ku-army.
Sure.
Ku-army Mabunda mfowethu kuba nempi.
Sure.
Makuba nempi ukhona ucommander.
Sure.
Owazi ukuthi madoda siyale manje.
Sure.
Okay, siyale manje. But now in our time njengoba sisho ukuthi seba define ubudoda ngenye indlela. I don't know, do I make sense Mpostoli?
No, Mabunda, I will start by saying a man is an enemy to the devil. So the devil, even in
Yeah.
so, and it is so sad that to be a man, you know that you have an enemy to deal with it, which is the devil. He does not want a man at all time.
Yeah.
Every time in our biblical account, you'll understand that the one intention of the enemy was to eliminate men all the time. When Moses was born, there was a mandate, kill all the boys.
Yeah.
When Jesus was born, there was a mandate, kill all the boys.
Yeah.
Because the mandate of the enemy, he want to get rid of all men.
Yeah.
Even if you can look at how the media, everything, you look at such things as that's how I'll put it this, to say a man is an enemy to the devil.
Yes, sir.
Because a man is a substitution of the devil.
Sure.
Because the devil wanted to be a man.
Sure.
That's true.
Yeah, he wanted to be a man.
Sure.
Why am I saying that? He said, I want to be like God.
Sure.
And all of a sudden, God said, let us make men in our own image.
Sure.
We are a replacement of the devil.
Sure.
So the devil does not want us.
Sure.
And we should be peaceful about that.
Sure.
So, and to be a man, you are a governor.
Sure.
When you are a governor and you portray tributes of God.
Sure.
God is a father.
Sure.
And we become fathers. So we are a mobile God.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Mobile God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You know, Bafethu, I've realized something singamadoda. Sinenkinga yokungakhulumi mama. Angazi if it makes sense. As a result, uthola ukuthi indoda can be going through the worst time of their lives. But no one knows this. Ukuthi that guy is going through the worst. And unfortunately, indlela yethu yokukhuluma mfethu Apostle nawe mango ukubona sekwenzeka izinto uthola ukuthi ke kwenzeke endleleni umuntu angangeni kahle yabona ngehle nesibhamu ngishaya umuntu but mawuthi uchecka imistake yakhe incane okusho ukuthi angikwadisanga ilento ayenzile ziningi izinto that I'm carrying within me ezingenza ngireact kwangathi lo muntu ongithinta kancane huye oyinkinga kanti the reality ngigcwele ngithukuthele ngaphakathi angazi if it makes sense. So I wanted us to engage a conversation from a point of saying the importance of talking as men, the importance of taking accountability, the importance of us as men being surrounded by abantu abadala abangamadoda, because of you find this huge gap in a society whereby there is a gap between the young men and abantu abadala. Uthola ukuthi at home I'm a young man but akuna uncle that is drawing me close. Ngikholiswa I'm surrounded by women but I do not have a relationship namadoda amadala that can be able to guide me, that I can be able to open up to say I'm struggling ngale zinto. As a result kubonakala ngama actions wami ukuthi this guy is not fine.
It's not fine. Angichaze kanje Mpostoli now Mabunda. I'll be real with you guys.
Yes,
and
sir.
that's why this is a real talk.
Yes, sir.
But there are two men.
Sure.
Kukhona indoda esebudodeni bayo namhlanje.
Sure.
Is a man ukhulile.
Sure.
But mangathatha ukubheka indlela akhule ngakhona ubaba bekangekho.
Sure.
Kunendoda ethi mayikhula ikhula ubaba ukhona.
Sure.
Yayizwisisa lento.
Sure.
And nansi into ebuhlungu Mabunda, I want us to focus on the guy okhule ubaba ngamazi.
Sure.
Into ebuhlungu ngendoda enjalo, you discover ukuthi yini ubudoda on your own.
Yo.
And ungaphelele on your own.
Sure.
Kunama mistake amaningi owenzile.
Sure.
Kunabantu abakhalayo endleleni.
Sure.
Ubuhlungu ukusidiscovera ubudoda ekhambeni kwempilo kwendlela ukuthi ulimaza abantu ufunde somdala and mathatha ubheka emuva. Yes, I've caused so many lives.
Sure.
Because ubudoda bakho ubuthole.
Yo.
Akufani nalo ukuthi ubaba usuke khona.
Yeah.
You understand? Akamoshi kakhulu, no mosha kancane.
Sure.
But uma emosha khona into ebuyimbuyisa endleleni. You understand?
Yeah.
That is why but sinamakhaya abantu abakhalayo namhlanje, abantu besifazane bahlukumezekile namhlanje.
Sure.
No, if you discover and detect inyembe zalabantu besifazane abakhalayo,
Sure.
bakhala because of kunendoda beyisayithola ubudoda bayo.
Sure.
Kanti seyilima abantu besifazane kwasafara nengane.
Hey.
Yo, Woody. You know, to I don't know what to say after that statement.
Sure. Yeah.
It is so mind-blowing, Woody. You know, to be a man and figuring what manhood is, there is no formula. Askis.
Yeah.
There is no any formula that you can apply to be a man.
Sure.
You just wake up to be a man.
Sure.
And you omit a lot of mistakes.
Sure.
As Umango said, to be a man, it's quite a responsibility because,
Yeah.
especially when you are trying to figure out
Yeah.
what it is to be a man.
Yeah.
That's why I'll say this, and I know I'll receive criticism.
Sure.
That's why GBV community has large number of people. Askis. Because to be a man is so difficult. That's why a lot of men die young. Because to be a man does not heal.
Yeah.
Men manuma have a way to adjust.
Meaning you say agapholi ndo.
Men
Yeah.
does not
Yeah.
heal, but they maneuver. They find a chemistry or a way to live to tackle that. That's why we die young as men, because we don't find a moment where we heal.
Yo.
Sometimes, and it is so sometimes it is so very, very critical, because even to open up to, we don't know who to trust. So you have to find a way to live with that rejection.
Yeah.
Find a way to live with that kind of an insult and disrespect. You need to find a way how to live without an income, yet you are a man in the house. You have to deal how to have a wife or a partner that disrespect you because you cannot have the means of production.
Sure.
You have to find a way.
Sure.
It's so difficult to be a man.
You know, Bodi, now Apostle, isn't any show you? I'm reminded ukuthi one of the advantages of having a father is that there are mistakes that a father makes and protects you from making those mistakes.
Yes.
Because of njengobaba uye wenza iphutha elithize wabona ama consequences walo, and now he is able to come and tell his son to say, son, be careful of that thing, because of there's a man that went ahead, fought some battles for you, and then when he comes back, he gives you to indlela, because there's a burden that we are carrying. We are carrying, most of us or most of our men, we don't have time to build izinto zethu. And as a result, the Bible says something about inheritance. It says a real man leaves inheritance for abantwana babo. Now it's so painful that most of us as men, before we can even build for ourselves and for our children, we need to fix izinto lezi abo baba bethu bangahlulekile ukuzenza. Angazi if it makes sense for you, sure.
But before siyakubo baba,
Sure.
before siyakubo baba, there's something that engifuna ukuyithinta, as much as izoba sensitive, but I'm glad that we are men here and siyakhuluma.
Sure.
I understand.
Sure.
Mina puti lento engizoyikhuluma la personally.
Sure.
Mina ngikhule mfethu ekasi. Mangabe udla abantwana ushayela izandla ngamajipo.
Come on.
Yo.
Yes, sir.
Mawloku busy ushintsha amantombazana ushayela izandla usikhokho wena.
Sure.
Guess what mate? Le khokho labantu abakubiza ngesikhokho
sure
bona leso sikhathi abayenzi leyo nto and masingathi 10 years down the line bona their life is okay
yeah
wena mfethu umithise ingane ezu10 ingane yakashabalala ingane yakamkhize ingane yakuphi kuphi
sure
uyangithola mabona
sure.
And now wes the time udla abantwana ubadla khayikini nakhona kunezimpa abangayilwanga
sure
and now kukose manje ukhulisa ingane and awusakhona ukuzenzela ezinye zezinto and your life is dragging down okusho ukuthi lama praise abasinikeza wona bekusibulala bekungalona iqiniso
sure
but asikhulume iqiniso bafethu into ukuthi as a guy udla abantwana nani wokwazi ukuthi mawenza njalo uzibophezela wena you are crucifying your future. I don't know, do I make sense now?
You know, and you are telling the truth, Putu, because we did not have a true meaning of what we call a model in our communities.
Sure.
Because people that were stable,
yeah,
do know Kadbainzan, if you are stable, you have your career, you get a wife, you live with suburbs. So Ekasi will have those kind of guys that bring a wrong motivation.
Yeah.
And Mabunda, you have highlighted the gap between elderly people and us, the upcoming men.
Yeah.
Guess what? You know, one of the good days I wanted to write the book is Time for Fresh Blood. And that book I wrote it out of an anger. Do you know why?
Yeah.
Because the men that are elderly to us, they don't mentor us. In fact, they compete with us. That's why kune concept yama sugar daddy.
Sure.
Ilethwa yini? Sugar daddy mina I'm still in my constructive season.
Yeah.
Sugar daddy he's already made up right in terms of mama financials.
Yeah.
And bese angithathela intombi yami.
Yeah.
No get come.
Yeah, wena usakho
Mina ngisakha bese angithathela intombi.
Now
And I want to show you that gap icreatwa yini.
Yeah.
So ungithathela intombi akuceda ungithathela intombi and after then I must look the moment uma ngithathela intombi automatically mina now siyintanga there's nothing that you can tell me.
Sure.
So we have uncles, we have buddies in our community. Obvious when I look at to someone in your age I see my mate.
Yeah. I no longer see a father.
And when I go through some stuff as a young man upcoming, I don't see you as a father, but I see you as my mate.
Sure.
And I'm unable to open up to you.
Hey, you know, Bafetu, I hear what you're saying. What are the dangers? I'm going to speak on behalf of women, and say, what are the dangers of being in a relationship or getting married to a man that doesn't have a father? Or what are the consequences of say, I wish I can date this particular person, I wish I can, but there are signs that the father was never there. We are not saying it's wrong to date someone or it's wrong to get married to someone that doesn't have a father. But what are the implications or the consequences of a man that didn't grow without a father figure around? Okay. Into ebuhlungu ukuthandana nendoda that never had a father in their lives. Ukuthi number 1, uthandana nomuntu ongayazi iformula yobudoda number 1. Number 2, uthandana nomuntu ongazi ukuhandlela ama situations ukuthi adilwa kanjani. For example, if I am raised about ngakhulisa umama, which is nothing wrong with that, I'm most likely to become extremely weak because there was a man that was there to tell me to be strong. Angazi if it makes sense. So the absence yakababa ingenza ngicabanga kwangathi every situation edinga ukuthi ngiyabaleka. Meaning say I find it difficult to be strong and handle situations. Ingakho sinamadoda body isolution yabo kuhlukana. Uma ubhekana nesimo, let's end this thing. Because I cannot confront situations and bring solutions to those situations. Madoda body that are more feminine than they have the masculine energy. Unless if it makes sense. Okusho ukuthi ngiyindoda but blueprint yami yobundoda ayikho because ngakhuliswa surrounded by women.
Okay. Okusho ukuthi bhuti kunabantu besifazane
Sure.
othothi uku relationship nendoda ekhuliswa umuntu wesifazane
Sure.
to a point ukuthi ama decisions awenzayo not ama decisions uma kuthiwa une anger usukwatile
Sure.
uyayiceda le relationship because of ukhuliswa umuntu wesifazane. Let's remember women are emotional people. Okusho ukuthi as a man
You become
you become too emotional because of ukhule vele wazi ukuthi okay into nje my better ayicedwe.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Iqiniso lento eshoyo. Now ubungozi bokuthandana nomjida onganayi father figure.
Yeah.
One thing I've realized ukuthi yonke into enizoyiproducer nalo umuntu wesilisa umuntu wesifazane uzoyibulala.
Yo.
But uHerod uyena bekabulala abafana.
Sure.
Bekabulala amadoda.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi you kill ngokukhuluma, you kill nangezenzo zakho. You understand?
Yeah.
Because here's the truth Mabunda. Mina won't lie. Kunento ekakhulunywa utata masikhuluma naye. Wathi as much as I'm fathering you guys.
Yeah.
Ngiba ilento engiyiyo.
Hey.
If I'm weak, I'm raising weak people, weak men here. If ngilihlaza, I'm raising abantu abalihlaza la.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So if vele, I mean that's why but I'm telling you, it takes God's grace ukuthi indoda ekhuliswe umuntu wesifazane yedwa ukwazi ukuma ukufacana nelife.
Yo.
I don't know.
You know, Puti, yo. Yeah, ne?
Real talk.
Yeah. Like to yazi, I feel so nyamkhulekela umuntu wesifazane.
Yeah.
Because of this.
Yeah.
Because umuntu wesifazane will be a driving school vehicle.
Yeah.
Izoshayisa. Ilungiswe. Ama-class plate ashe. Ilungiswe. Umuntu wesifazane need grace to handle such men. Because that man does not have an identity.
Come back again, sir.
That man does not have an identity at all.
Yeah.
So he will test everything. And sometimes testing nakhona kulimala umuntu wesifazane.
Yo.
So and unfortunately, Puti,
Yes, sir.
we are a such society.
Yes, sir.
Dysfunctionality of families.
Yes, sir.
Our statistics will tell you
Yes, sir.
that 70% of a male seed children are raised by single parents.
Yeah.
There are those that will make wrong decision,
Yeah.
and there are those who, by God's grace, will find another
Yeah.
father figure out there.
Yeah.
Such as me, I don't know. I practically my father died in a very young age.
Sure.
And so I don't know what it is to model a father.
Sure.
But by God's grace, I met a man
Yeah.
whom I look unto, whom he just adopted and said, let us do life together.
Sure.
And I imitate him all the time
Sure.
of what he does.
Sure.
Just imagine if I did not meet such men. My life would be chaotic. I'll be very, very emotional. And do you know what the Bible said?
Yeah.
The Bible said, a man that is unable to control his emotion cannot lead a city.
Sure.
A man must not become an emotional creature. But the moment when you are raised in accompaniment of women,
Yeah.
you become such.
Yeah.
Your voice is not heard. You're not trained to be a leader as you are.
Yeah.
I'll say this basing it. I say this all the time when I demonstrate in preaching.
Sure.
Especially when it comes to identity. I say this. Guti, In London, when a prince is born, a slave is born. And a slave is raised in a palace.
Sure.
So that he may be a brother to the king.
Sure.
They will play together
Sure.
all the time.
Sure.
But this one is trained to be a slave. This one is trained to be a king.
Yeah.
This one, when things they don't go accordingly,
Sure.
he's trained to remain the king. You can fall and get injured,
Sure.
but don't lose your identity. You're still the king. He can be broken, but even though in your brokenness,
You are a
don't
king.
forget your identity.
Sure.
You are the king. So as men, sometimes we lose our identity along the process.
Sure.
We are kings,
Sure.
even though whatever that we succumb with.
Sure.
But it takes God to bring out men. Let us be honest. It takes God to bring out men because we come from God.
Yeah.
Let me put it this so put. A fish,
Yeah.
you find it in the sea,
Sure.
in the water.
Sure.
Remove the fish,
It dies.
it dies. The tree, you find it in the ground.
Sure.
Remove the ground, it dies. Man without God is a treasury alive.
Man without God is a tragedy. Yeah.
It's a
Tragic.
living pandemic.
A living pandemic. Bafethu, I'm here, but I want us to talk about accountability as men.
Sure.
The importance of saying, please don't define me based on what I did. Please don't define me based on the things that I have. Please don't define me based on, is it because of we live in a generation whereby, as you were saying, Putu, to say there is a man that does not have a father figure. When they navigate life, they find themselves. In the process of finding themselves, they kunabantu abalimalayo. Now, kunamadoda where we find ourselves condemning ourselves, where we find ourselves identifying ourselves on our mistakes that we did. Kunendoda manje la ihlezi khona, maybe during their season la he was trying to find themselves, wakhulelisa abantu, and labo bantu aba understand ukuthi it was in a process of finding themselves. Kunendoda kumanje kunabantu abashonile, I mean like literally died, whether it's in a car accident and the man was drunk, but if you can check, there was no one that was there to support him. I wanted us to talk about the importance of accountability, to say, you know what, I see what I did and I'm sorry and I'm not what I did. Unless it makes sense. I did something and I acknowledge that I did something, but I'm not what I did. And now we understand people handle pain in different ways. You get what I'm saying?
Yes,
but let's go and talk about this. And as if I did put it rightly, ngendlela right.
Sure. Puti, angeke kushintshe indlela umuntu akulimaze ngayo.
Yeah.
Ngeke kushintshe indlela zokubuka ngayo.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
That is why mina Puti, one of the things engingazikhuluma.
Sure.
Ave kuyingozi ukuthi uzoxolelwa ngabantu, uxolele uNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Kodwa wena ungazixolelanga.
Hey. But
One thing about us as men, siyafana njengebomb.
sure.
Ibomb but ungayilayita manje. Akusho izobhoma manje.
Sure.
But as long as it's at it,
It's a ticky.
it's a ticking bomb. Liyehla. And liyehla number. And we may never know ukuthi mhlazana 80:00 what's gonna happen. But isingcono nesibhamu ngoba uyakhona ukudubula umuntu oyedwa ba abanye bakwazi ukubaleka.
Sure.
But in fact uyabona ibomb.
Yo.
Ibomb but singayilayita manje la.
Sure.
Yonke le ndawo le ngaba senkingeni. Kuba njalo wena indoda ilimele.
Yo.
Ingakazixoleli noma ingakapholi, because whatsoever, there's something I've once said ku Well of Life.
Sure.
Ngathi mina indoda uma ilimele wonke ama decisions awathathayo ayabulala.
Oh.
Ngathi mina umfazi uma engapholanga yonke into ayikhipha ngomlomo udestroy yonke into eseduzane kwakhe.
Sure.
You understand amabona?
Yeah.
So it is very important njengendoda ukuthi kungcono mabunda abantu bangaxoleli but when uyixolele you'll be safe.
I hear you, sir.
Mabunda,
But
Mango.
sure.
You know, to be the I'll be honest. The society, it is too condemning to return soldiers. The society, it is very, very bad to such people. Okala, when you are making a mistake, I'll say it, but when you're making mistake, finding yourself in the corner, the one thing that you should do for yourself, not for anyone else, is just don't ever condemn yourself.
Yeah.
You can rewrite history.
Yeah. Sure.
The past, you must have this mentality.
Yeah.
You don't have an appointment with your past.
Yeah.
You have an appointment with your future.
Yo.
You can
repeat that, sir.
change.
Repeat.
You don't have, I'm saying it, Mahmoud.
Yeah.
You don't have an appointment with your past. You don't owe, oh God, Lord Almighty, you don't owe your past anything.
Yes, sir.
You don't owe your past an explanation.
Yes, sir.
But you own an explanation to your future.
Yes, sir.
You have identified a problem.
Yes, sir.
You must execute a solution in the present.
Yes, sir.
Because the moment if you continue to condemn yourself today, then you will condemn yourself for the rest of your life. What a wasted potential and wasted life.
Sure.
Because you've identified a problem, you never execute a solution.
Sure.
As a man, if you are wounded, you made wrong and bad decision. Come back, rewrite them.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, it is not enough. My apology is not enough. What is enough? Rewrite.
Yeah.
Redo. Recycle.
Yes.
Uputi once preached a certain sermon, and he said, I like people that recycle things.
Yeah.
When something is wasted by lahlile, it has been recycled. As a man, when you come back to the community that you once terrorized,
Yeah.
come back in a new, reformed person.
Yes, sir.
Because people, they don't care about Nyakolis.
Yes, sir.
You must say Nyakolisa, and if they don't take it, it's fine. In your own corner, rewrite your life again.
Hey.
It's possible. Black child.
Yeah. Mabunda ngidedela kuwena mfethu uyangazi ngeke ngakhonje. Ebafethu especially amadoda asetshwaleni kakhulu.
Yeah.
Amadoda agcwele nje etshwaleni.
Yeah.
And abafazi ubathola abaseyindlini.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Naloko that simply tells ukuthi kunezinkanyambe emakhaya. Yeah, because amadoda nje ubona agcwele ematshwaleni ku gambling nanana ezenzela whatsoever bema ama drugs amadoda. It's because ufuna ukuthi mayefika lendlini afika imizwa seyidakiwe.
Yo.
Nema emotions nayo yonke into seyidakiwe ukuthi mhlazane bonana nenkanyambe endlini. That's why namanye afika ayazi umkamulala ngo10 mhlawumbe bangafika ngo1 yobe sekahona lapha ngiyangena because uyazi ukuthi angikwazi ukumelana namazwi alo wesifazane ngisoba.
Yo.
Kungcono akhulume ngidakiwe.
Yo. I hear you.
Because mina I won't lie, ngayikhuluma lento in one of those episodes now ku Real Talk. Ngathi mina yebuthi tina mfethu singamadoda kulula ukuthi usidestroy. Khuluma izwi.
That's it.
That is why namadoda pusha kakhulu empilweni. Abafazi babo ababasupportayo.
Sure.
Sithi simo sim encourage ayibone ezikati. Kodwa umfazi athi ngibona ilion kuwe myeni wami.
Sure.
Obvious when that man is facing the world.
Yeah.
Uyiface umhlaba Mabunda mfethu with boldness and roaring. But naku labe ngifuna ukuya khona. Mfowethu noma ngabe ubani usisi wami.
Yeah.
Ungayidakwa imizwa ngama drugs. Udakwa ama emotions.
Yeah.
But isimo ngeke uzusidake.
Sure.
But it's time in our generation whereby we must face our own Goliath.
Yeah.
Because if sizoba emotional kuma Goliath siloko sithi hayi mina nginanana but kunezimo ezifuna ukuthi ume. Kunezimo ezidinga ukuthi ungakhulumi, just show up.
Yeah.
bafethu ngiyazi nomyazwakala into ngisho yeah you need to just ume noma kungekho into ozoyenza but for the mere fact yokuthi you are there, you've showed up, then that's a way of winning.
You know, but I'm reminded to say to men out there, it's tough to be a man, and it will never be easy. Our problem as men in our generation is that we expect things to be easy. Kanti, you need to remember ukuthi amandla onikezwe yona, it will determine the kind of a situation that you face. Indoda inamandla undlula umuntu wesifazane. As a result, izimo ezishaya amadoda, they are deeper than izimo ezishaya abantu besifazane. That is why as a man it's time we take a stand and rise up and understand bafethu sifela empini. It doesn't matter, you know, like there's something that we normally say. We normally say amanzi angaphandle awakubulali kodwa amanzi angena phakathi ayawudranisa umkhumbi. Ngamanye amagama kunezinto abantu abazishoyo kuwe njengendoda angeke zikubulale until uvumela lawo mazwi angene ngaphakathi kuwe, then they destroy you. The reason we have men body that go and take a gun abulala umfazi abulala, it's because kunendoda kunomuntu wesifazana that did not understand the damage ayisho kundoda makathi no when you don't even know how to make sex, you have a small dick. Hey,
yeah, you've just said it.
I've just said it. I've just said it.
Yes.
You get what I'm saying? Now, as indoda, you will need to ask yourself a question. Why is it that the time sithandana you never told me that I have a small dick? Why is it that ungitshela lento le ngoba sesihlukana? Inkinga iba the minute indoda ivumela lawo mazwi angene ngaphakathi kuyona izindle ngawo. Ngamanye amagama umthola umuntu esifazana afika athi you are useless man. All those kind of words angeke akubulale amazwi avela ngaphandle until you take those words and meditate upon them. Apostle,
wena moefangedi,
yes sir,
bophelo ke ntwa. David o bolela mantswe gore God wire my hands for a war. Ona le Johnson just ka dudumela di tsena di itirele.
Yeah,
I know una le monno wa ntebeletseng a re ke dirile diphoso why condemn a ebuti yemelela bophelo bo nyaka o ka rokalwa.
Yeah,
una le Johnson just ka dudumela di tsene as an individual.
Yes sir,
you must fight.
Yes sir,
to your full potential.
Yes sir,
le motho aka try unanify wena you are that because of that. No, I'm not defined by material.
Yes sir,
nka ba ke sina koloi nka ba ke sina chelete but I'm a king ke khoshi.
Yeah,
how sa bone value ya ka bo khoshi baka, my sister, you are welcome to leave.
Yo,
yeah, that's true.
Ona le batho e re ke bolele bana spedisa. Ona le batho ba o ba kreile ba tswile.
Yeah,
and ba re ba tswa bophelo ba ka ba shala bolekana mgo le wena o ka nna tsama, there is no impact o tlo e dira.
Sure,
ho rata ke o rata ka pelo mara moya kwa modimo lo ka sepila moya o ka swena meng ke to kwa botlhoko but I will find healing. Come on, to our dear brothers,
sure,
we must learn to fight, especially when someone confront your identity. That person, he's your enemy.
He's your enemy.
Yeah.
When someone defile your identity,
yes
Sure.
sir,
I would the opposite that you are. That person, she's an enemy.
That's
I
right.
hear you.
And you must, every war that you have, you must couch out for that person. If someone said, nanify you to be sort of a dog while you're a king, that person is an enemy to you.
Sure. Let me say this thing, but I don't know what's got to say. Okay. Mabunda.
Yes sir.
The reason why ngithandane nawe
Yeah.
is because uyindoda.
Yeah.
Nami ngiyindoda.
Sure.
The reason why ngizothatha umuntu wesifazane is because unento enganayo.
Repeat it again. Unento ongenayo.
Awuzweka.
Yeah.
Unento mina enganayo.
Yes, sir.
That is why I need a woman in my life.
Yes, sir.
You understand? But uma ngabe uzothandana nomuntu wesifazane adelela ubudoda kuwena, ngixoshe lo muntu.
Uba indoda.
Uma umuntu wesifazane uzothandana nendoda edelela ubufazi kuwena, hlukana nalowo muntu. Because now okusho ukuthi udelela into esihlanganisile.
Yo.
Ngoba Mabunda ungizwe kahle kunabafazi
Yeah.
abadelela amadoda okusho nofuna ukuba indoda sibe ngamadoda sobabili sontshebe bo2 manje
That's where the problem is.
Yeah, sesingontshebe sobayi2 manje. You understand? Okusho uma indoda idelela umuntu wesifazana ubufazane bakhe. Kusho ukuthi okusho ukuthi manje seningabafazi nobabili manje udelela because into esenza sibe together at the first place is because unento enganayo. Uma uzodelela into onganayo, which means you're destroying the purpose.
Oh. I hear you, sir.
I'm being for real.
I hear you, sir.
Buti ubudoda buyafuneka ku relationship nobufazi buyafuneka ku relationship.
Ubudoda buyafuneka ku relationship. Afet sesizoyivala kasidala. Let me check. Sesizoyivala. We are even over the mark bafethu. We are even sesizoyivala apostle. I wanted to say to men out there.
Sure.
Never ever tolerate a woman that does not respect you.
Sure.
Angazi if it makes sense. Now, I wanted to ask, can you dive it like this? I want to ask Bafethu from the both of you. I wanted to say this thing. This, I think we can close it here. To say, what do we say to a man that attaches his identity with the things that he has? And uma izinto zingaseko alahlekele ubuyena ngamanye amagama ngiyindoda because ngidriver ikushesha mangana kushesha I don't feel man enough. I'm a man based on the fact ukuthi emsebenzini ngisebenza umsebenzi all right. You get what I'm saying? And number two, those are the two things. What do we say to a man that attaches his identity to his materialistic things anas? Number two, the last question, what do we say to a man that feels like he's being left out because he no longer has what he used to have before? Angazi if it makes sense. Meaning say bengispana grandi abantu bangihlonipha nasendlini bangihlonipha. I used to have cars, money and all those things. Now lezo zinto aseko. Now I'm attacked and nabangani bayangishiya.
Okay. Ngixole bafethu ngine flu. I'll just wrap it out ngidedele kwena.
Yeah.
Mina puthi impilo ngifundisena into naye. I'm glad because this is a real talk.
Sure.
It's real.
Sure.
Impilo ngifundisena into naye.
Sure.
When indoda isafara inganazo izinto eziphathekayo.
Sure.
Istruggle.
Yeah.
Inomuntu wesifazane.
Sure.
Kusuke kutestwa lo wesifazane. Ukuthi ngabe uyamthanda noma uyamrespecta na.
Sure.
Lo wesilisa.
Sure.
When indoda inani mabunda ingenalutho.
Yeah.
Once indoda yaba nakho konke enomuntu wesifazane.
Sure.
Lapho kusuke kutestwa indoda. Uthando lwayo enalo nalo uya ngoba mabunda kuyenzeka mfethu imali iyamfihla umuntu. That is why buti kunabantu besifazana athi hey ngamthola ngenalutho wathi makathola utho wangishiya wangilahla beka vela nje but inkinga indlala nesuffering imfihlile. Hey, that is why indoda uyitesta uma ngabe inama million ebank ibe faithful kumuntu wesifazana yeah no uyakuthanda lo. So ngizama ukusho endodeni ukuthi mawumbona lo disrespecta ulahlekelwe izinto bekahlonipha izinto zakho hayi wena.
No.
Abangazihloniphi abangahloniphi wena. So ngizama ukuthi don't beat yourself up.
Sure.
Uyifailile test. When I submit and take that as a fail bakhona abantu besifazana will respect you. But here's the truth bafethu. Okay, let me speak English.
Oh, speak English, sir.
There are few women who have such caliber who will respect you ungenalutho.
Yes, sir.
I can say 30% of women abanjalo bakhona but 70% ngiyakutshela mfana ngithi monganamali ufana noSikomoda.
Why Limpopo?
Mane mali ufana noMabubu.
My father said one of the good days, a woman is a tool in the hands of God to fix men.
Yo.
That's what Pap said to me.
Yo. So a woman is equipped.
He's not equipped. It's an equipment.
Yeah.
When we say he's equipped, we are speaking different things.
She's an equipment.
She is an equipment.
Sure.
To fix men.
Sure.
Women have a responsibility of building the men they want. Indoda uyayiakha. You build your own men with words. When the life is so hard on a man, have a right to wenkosi yami. When there are no opportunities and others are succeeding out there, my sister, uthi when I know uma uhleli izinto zenzeka, there is something about you. What you said Mabunda as ngivala. Indoda the men define into angana anazo and others. Le ndoda ayanga is not circumcised.
Yeah.
When uma kaspedi hemona walubo shore mona o feleleche. Why a feleleche una le a certain part I lobile.
Yeah.
Now he's able to tolerate the pain.
Sure.
Mo yena.
Sure.
Monna asidilo tjana le ntjona. Monna ke monna ana le tjona sna tjona.
Yo.
Monna o gona o robala go le gana teng. A phela a jentse a tsama. Mara the identity remain the same. That guy is a man. So banna ba ba I ahang ka dilo tse bana le ntjona se ntse ba fitlhe ona.
Sure.
Ba sa tlo fitlhe. Because bonna se dilo tse ona le ntjona se bonna bo.
Sure.
We balance ka dilo tse ona le ntjona ka re ke reile kolo ya mabaibai ka re ke swere position e itseng le motho ona I become ebullient because
Sure.
he uses resources.
Sure.
Yet he's a source.
Yeah.
So to be a man, you should be a man even in the absence of resources. Tyler Perry koshong yengwe ha so khusta motho mmbana le koshong ya batho ba bang. O butsitse basadi a re why le rata banna ba o ba le tšhelete.
Sure.
Se se o mo araba botlhoko a re rata ka mogo banna ba leng hona e bana le tšhelete. A re o ka re tšhelete e ka tloa mara semelo le confidence ya dula jona ke se
Yo.
he monna na le tšhelete o na le bogoši bo bongwe man o na le bogoši bo bongwe kore he orders things and things they become because o na le something.
Sure.
O ka re banna ba ka ba jwa le mabunda tšhelete di siwo metse e siwo o lobile ka moka mara ho bolela o kwahale o re o bolela ndota.
Bulela ndoda.
Amen.
Apostle, thank you so much.
Yes sir.
As I close it and wrap it up.
Sure.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma namadoda ngaphandle.
My goodness me.
Dear men, don't hate your father to a level that you end up becoming him.
Hey, yeah.
Angazi if it makes sense. Ngiyayivala kanjalo. Kunokwenzeka abobaba bethu benza amaphutha. Sibazonde sigcine sibe yibo. Angazi if it makes sense. Ubaba beyangamhloniphi umama. Ngakhula ngiyibona leyo nto. Ngiyayizonda le ndoda ngenxa yezinto lezi beyizenza kumama. Kodwa ngigcine ngibefane nobaba. Ngenxa yenzondo enginayo towards yena.
Amen.
Dear men, number 2, never allow yourself to become something that you are not to please women. Angazi if it makes sense lento ngisho. Dear men, I repeat, never allow yourself to become something that you are not to please abantu besifazane. Ngoba we are in chaos today namadoda asemajele. Ngenxa yokuthi imali bekanganayo. Wafuna ukuzenza into angayiyo waphenduka waba isigebengu. Waganga ngenxa yokuthi afuna ukuyothola ama resource azojabulisa abantu besifazane. Walahlekela impilo yakhe in a process of trying to please women. Number 2.
Number 3.
Number 3. Never ever betray your brothers for the sake of women.
Hey.
Mabunda wena
No, yavala. Papa yini bafethu. Real talk with amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. I will see you next time, Apostle. Where they can find you, Apostle? Your social media handles, who you are on social media, where they can follow you, your personal numbers if you want to be invited.
Okay. Ko Facebook ke tsosele Tompepja. Ona le page ke Apostle JT.
Yeah.
And ko TikTok ke mo Apostle JT. JT ona ke JAYT JTEE Apostle JT na pile le ko YouTube ke na lo ba ona mola ke a tswelela if batho banyaka banyako nkre ke a khumane ya mo nomorong ya 063 70 54498 063 70 54498
rivala ngokuthi sinithanda nonke emakhaya. Riyalocha.